Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern study abroad poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors which I use for this poster design. First, go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Apply this blue color to it. Adjust its size. Select the ellipse tool. And draw a circle. Hold the Alt button and drag for a copy of it. Select all, go to the Shape Builder tool. And fill this area. And delete these two circles. Go to the File menu, and Place. Select the image, and place it. Copy the shape. And paste it in front. Hold the Shift button to add the image to the selection. Right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Adjust it using the Direct Selection tool. Change its blend mode to overlay. And set the opacity to 30%. I have these icons and a PNG image, linked to these assets in description of the video. Select the airplane. Match the color. And place it here. And set the image here. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. Draw a long bar rectangle. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.